June 28th, 2024. Welcome to our party update on Hamster Kombat. And tonight we shall be sorting out the daily cipher. Alright, let's quickly dive into it. Okay, so tonight's code is ETHER, that is ETHER. I think it's just like a short form of Ethereum. Okay, so let's dive into it. Dot dash dot dot dot. Let's go again. Dot dash dot 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 dash dot, and there we have it. All right, picking up my price. Okay, that was a good job as a CEO. Okay, I think I can see a red dot here on N, so that means there's something up there. I want to believe it's the usual YouTube announcements. Okay, yeah. So we have two YouTube videos to watch and earn 100,000 Hamster coins, so that is altogether 200. Okay, so that will be all on Hamster Kombat for tonight, and we shall catch ourselves later tomorrow. Do have a lovely night ahead. Good luck and goodbye.